Morning. I thought I'd do a small video this morning showing you my process for getting alpaca fleece into suitable fibres for making doll hair. I was given a small bag of raw alpaca, which means it's cut straight off the animal, to have a go. I do realise this is the wrong kind, but it's all I have, so I'm going to have a go. So first thing I did was separate the fleece into locks, and you can tell a lock because it'll come down to a point and it's usually a bit discoloured on the end. So I tied acrylic thread around the middle, used acrylic so that it wouldn't felt into the yarn as I processed it, and then I did a cold water and dishwasher soap wash, which got rid of a lot of the vegetation. There's a few little bits left, and then I moved my ties to the top of the lock so that I could get the middle bit was covered with the cold wash, and then I just did a 10-minute soak with hair shampoo. Just let them soak, didn't rub them up or anything, and this is that. Now the next step is a small amount of water, warm water, same with the shampoo one, it was warm water, and conditioner, and then we're just going to drop them in here just like that and let them sit for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is how long we let them sit for with the shampoo. And then once that's done, I'll take them out, squeeze them out, and then do the same thing again but with vinegar. And what the vinegar will do is we'll get rid of any leftover detergents and hopefully make them all nice and smooth, and they will have no smell either. Then I will make another video to show you what I do next.